Hey, this morning I start the car and look, this message come up. Here it said maintenance due soon, B17. What the heck is B17? Is it oil change or something? I have A before, now I have B. What is it? Is it something more than just oil change? My car has like 60,000 miles around, so I go and look around and went to a different screen, the main screen here, trying to find out where can I get those information. So I hit the home button, then I go to the setting, I hit the second button, then it pop up a bunch of stuff, and then I think, oh, maybe under vehicle, I hit the vehicle button, and from this screen I see, oh, maintenance information. I hit the button. Now voila, here it said oil life 15% B17. So B means oil and filter change, because I don't have 15% oil life. And 1 means tire rotation, so I need to have my car tire rotate. And 7 means brake fluid change. Alright? And there's a select reset button at the bottom. Alright, let's check it out and hit that select button. And show all the maintenance due items. You have like B, oil and filter, tire rotation, air filter, transmission oil, spark plus, and there are some more items down at the bottom. Let's scroll it down, and you have engine coolant and brake fluid, number 7. Let's try to click on one of the items. I click number 4, spark plug, or it just say, do you want me to reset number 4? Of course not. So I hit the cancel button, and let's go back to the list. So I hit the up arrow again and again, and alright, there's nothing new on this list. So I go back to the previous screen, go to hit the back button, and again, so here these are the maintenance you need to do: oil and filter change, tire rotation, and brake fluid replacement. You can do yourself or pay someone to do it. But if I don't find it on the screen, is there another place to show what B17 is? Here you go. Here's your owner's menu. So open up your owner's menu, go to the maintenance section. Now you see maintenance main item, code A, replace engine oil, and code B, there are a bunch of stuff, replace engine oil and filter, inspect this and that. And then underneath you say maintenance sub item, code 1, rotate tires, and then 7, replace brake fluid. At the end it says asterisk number 5, and it says if a maintenance reminder indicator does not appear more than 36 months after the display for item 7 is reset, change the brake fluid every 3 years. So here you get it. It's the B17 in your maintenance item owner's menu. Make sure all the items under B is done and check with 1 and 7. Alright, that's how you find what B17 means. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. See you later.